14, 15 series front camera repair FPC and adapter are compatible with V1 Pro and V1Z. After replacing the front camera of 14 series iPhone, it is out of focus when taking photos with front camera and the rear camera lags when switching from the cinematic mode. After replacing the front camera of 15 series iPhone, it can't take photos with the front camera or the photo is saved as white background and the progress bar of recorded videos is in white background. Before repairing, unbind the phone at first. If there is the original FPC, scan the QR code on the plate with the scan and unbind function. If there is no original accessory, unbind it through read phone and brushing onto the repair platform. The firmware for flashing and unbinding needs to be downloaded from the third party. Demonstrated by real iPhone 14. Turn off the phone, remove the front camera. Then prepare a front camera disassembled from the original iPhone. Remove the front camera. And solder the chip front camera repair FPC. Then heating with a hot air gun to remove the iron cover. Reheat the FPC and remove it. Clean up the residual glue. Add some flux, plant tin on the two sides. Align JCID front camera repair FPC to the position accurately. Add some flux. Start soldering. Buckle the camera with well-soldered FPC on corresponding socket of 14 to 15 series front camera R and W adapter. Connect the unbound phone to V1 Pro with a data cable. It displays that the front camera code has been captured by cloud. Then click Cloud Burn. Find the data of the front camera. Burn the front camera code. It displays that data write successful. Install the camera. The front camera is frozen after the phone is booted up. Only need to flash the phone on a third-party platform. The problem will be fixed. Activate the phone after flashing is done. The focus of the front camera is normal. There is no rear camera lag when switching from the cinematic mode. The repair method for 15 series mobile phones is the same as 14 series. After the repairing is done, the photo becomes normal, and there is no white background when taking photo. There is no white background in the progress bar of the recorded video.